Hey, I'm Maneesh. I'm a restaurateur and bar owner here in New York, and welcome to my home off Union Square. What I really wanted it to be is real New York City loft living. I love to entertain, I love to throw parties, but I still wanted to feel cozy and like a home. As luck would have it, this place is also perfectly located right in between my two places. This is really me and my husband's dream home. I can't wait to show you around. A good entry is like an appetizer. It should awaken the senses. Here we position it in a way where it conceals the rest of the apartment. We have this very cool piece of hidden art by one of our favorite artists and friends, Chantel Martin. And this piece describes our family, describes Andrew and I, Moo and you, my one and only and your one and only. We both love to travel. Andrew's obsessed with airplanes. Overall, the piece is very personal to us, and it's beautifully depicted right here in our home. One of the first things you notice when you walk into this main space is all of this natural light. And we wanted the design to accentuate that. So of course that means a big open layout. As a restaurateur, the design of the kitchen is super important to me. The design is dramatic, with dark woods and gray stone countertops and backsplash. And I can't tell you how many parties we've had around this kitchen island and dining table. Taken together, I wanted this whole area to feel like a super sexy salon, the kind of which would make Truman Capote feel very proud. And every restaurateur needs a home bar, and this is mine. It's vintage, Art Deco inspired, and filled with glassware from our families. Even our glassware tells our story in a very subtle way. And here is our living room. We wanted this room to be an expression of us, and we are very layered and textured, and so you'll see in this room a lot of different textures, a lot of different types of fabrics, but one of the most important pieces of fabrics that is in this room is this chair made from my mother's sari. And a few years ago, we had the greatest honor of our lifetime when we hosted the then sitting First Lady, Michelle Obama, in this apartment, and she sat in this chair and she specifically said, "Please take my picture and send it to your mother." And now this picture is my mother's pride and joy, after me, of course. And perhaps one of the coolest pieces of furniture in this entire apartment is this little stool. It's an M for Maneesh, or it is a W for my husband's last name. In addition to all this seating here, we also installed these plush window seats. It's a great place to sit with a cup of coffee and people watch. We wanted our bedroom to be focused on serenity and tranquility. It's separated from the living room by a glass wall and an oversized walnut door. That glass wall allows the eastern light to come all the way through the apartment. The color palette is neutral with various shades of gray that mimic the streets of New York. And this soft upholstered wall creates a sexy dressing room behind it. It's a dream closet for any New Yorker. Now that you've seen our home, let me show you where I spend the rest of my time. Here we are at Sona in the heart of the Flatiron District. Like I said, this is my second home. It's also a great place for a drink. Thank you for visiting both my home and my home at work. I hope to see you here at Sona soon. Cheers.
There's even more stunning homes and designs just waiting for you. Come on in, the water's fine. Like and subscribe, because a lot of these homes have spectacular pools.